Good day everyone, this is Mr. Faisal. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the font tag in your HTML document. In using font tag, this allows us to modify our text. And this font tags has three attributes. When we say attributes, these are the properties of a particular tag. And what are those? One, you can change the color. Second, the size. And the third one is what we call face or the style of your text. So let's start. I already have here my Notepad++ together with my web page on the other side. You will notice that I already assigned my title using font tags. That's why it is displayed here on my title bar. Start typing our sentence. Big brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Here's my sentence. Let's save it first, then refresh. Now, in applying font tags, you need to declare the font tag itself. For example, I want to change this word quick to other color. So I will assign first the font tag, followed by the attribute color equals, say, red. And since I decided only this word quick should turn into red, so therefore I will close here my font tag. Let's save and refresh. Now you can see that the color of my text changed into red. Now, the second attribute of font is that we have the size. In this sentence, let's have the word fox. Let's change the size of this font. Since I only want the word fox, will be changed it to different size. So size equals, let's say, 5. Therefore, I will close it, font. Let's save, refresh. Okay, now take note that the highest value of your size is 7. Okay, so what is this 7 looks like? If I have here 7, save, refresh, and that's the biggest size. And of course 1 is the smallest size. So what if it did not put any size? So the default is half of it. So it can be 3.5 or around 3. So let's have here 7 so that it will be easily uh, identified that we put the value of size or font for this word. And the third attributes of font is the face. Now, using the face attribute, this changes what we call the style of your text. So don't be confused. We are not using the attribute style, but the attribute of face. Example, I want to use on this word over, I want to change the style of this, so I will use font face. Take note, it's face equals. So what are the different style of your notepad? Now you can check it on your MS Word. So those are with Arial, Times New Roman. So here I will use Jokerman. Okay, Jokerman. You can put quotation mark and close it with the slash font. Okay, so I just change the style of this text. So let's save. Let's see. Okay, you will see it's this text change its style. So these are the three attributes of font tag. Now the question is, can you combine these three attributes? Definitely yes. Okay, so how are we going to use it? Should we use font face and then font size and then font color? No. Once you use the font tag, when you say attributes, it's only the properties of particular tag, so you can combine it all. Let's have it here. For example, font face. So here I use already the face. Then I want also to change the color equals, let's say, blue. And then let's also have here uh, size equals 5. So you will notice that in this tag, font, face, color, and size attributes are in one tag. So let's save this and let's refresh. So you will see the size changes, the color, and the face, or what we call the style. So don't be confused. You can set the font color in every word, or if you want for the whole sentence, no problem. Just don't forget to close it. I will move this. Example, I will cut this and I will put it at the last. There. So once I save this, now I have here save and refresh. Now the text changes to its size, color, and style. So that's how we use the font tags. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.